So now you can see the negative one is getting bubbles quicker than the positive.
So which is positive one, Dhairya?
The positive is the blue pencil. The negative is the blue pencil. The positive is
The yellow pencil.
yellow pencil.
So what does it actually mean? There are more number of molecules on the blue pencil. What does it mean?
There are more hydrogen molecules near the negative, and there are less than the oxygen molecules near the positive.
Correct. So why is hydrogen more and oxygen less?
Because in water combining in the atoms, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, because it takes two times more hydrogen, because there are two molecules and there's one. The hydrogen takes two at a time, but it only takes oxygen only one.
So when you pass the direct current, what happens? It is separating. At a time, it will separate two molecules of hydrogen.
It will at a time separate two molecules of oxygen and two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen.
Very nice. So what did we learn? What is this process called as?
Electrolysis.
Very nice.